Yo, what's up, stream? How y'all doing? There's nobody in here yet, but I like to still talk to the stream, to you all. For the people that watch the videos, like after, whenever they can. So this is for you all, and hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good trading day. Hopefully you can also retain some value from this stream, and just gonna have a good day, win or lose. Try to improve upon some of the struggles that I'm having with losing, as in revenge trading. And then I also need to get these losses smaller when I'm losing. And then try to get these winners even bigger, because we've been doing good with winning, but just gotta keep it going. Oops, I tooted. I was trying to crack my back, and then something else came out. No. Mm-hmm. I think I want to take these like two little things down here off the overlay for now. Move the social media over to the left, or it could be right under the chat. That would be fire. And then I can have everything under the main thing here look a lot better, but we'll see. Also, I want to say thank you to the people who have been subscribing. I really appreciate that, and I hope that I can continue to bring you guys value. Like I said, I'm not even a successful trader, and you guys got me over 1,000 subs, so appreciate it. I don't know when I'm gonna trade Black Diamonds, but hopefully there's a lot of stuff that is moving for everybody. I did want to check out Apple first off. I don't know what you mean by what do I think about Google, like on the day or like overall. Overall, it's been going up, but it hasn't. Oh man, that sucks. It hasn't really been moving lately, but it's breaking out. It seems like out of a flag. It's got a lot of days that has been going straight up, so I will wait on the retest before trying to bank on that to continue going higher. Might trade Qs today depending on how it's acting. Hey, I don't know if you meant that in a disrespectful way, but I don't have to answer your question, man. Just so you know. But that, you know what I'm saying? That was a very vague question, so I asked for more context. What's up, Devon? What's up, Yasir? Got it. Got it right this time. I think the cam might be out of position. Y'all see anything y'all fucking with? I don't usually trade Google though. I've traded in it one time. I've got like 300% on Google before. PPI came in hot. Yeah, I like took a quick glance at it. Oh, it didn't even update on my thing. I looked at nothing basically then. Ooh, 0.3 more percent. Oh, for the month over month. Oh, we'll see. AMD's doing that. Crazy stuff again. And we got Q's trying to reverse here. I'm gonna give it a second, let the market get all these orders out. Unless I see something like super fire. Like Microsoft, that was a decent take right there. Yeah, Microsoft's going for all-time highs. Yep. I just hit it. Yeah, I was talking. I don't want to mess up your name, Everado. Yeah, that sounds about right. But if you can type it out, the better way to say it. But yeah, I don't really trade Google that often, and I don't know like much about it. I mean, obviously, I know it's a very healthy company and stuff like that. But in terms of like short term, it looks good. Usually Google has some decent moves too. Like yesterday was a nice move, or like nice day for Google. But it does have a gap to fill, so you have something to like shoot for. But like $2 to $3 on Google in a day is actually pretty far. Just because it doesn't move that often. And welcome to everybody that's joining up. I appreciate it. Oh, what's up? I think Club. Okay, yeah, that was yesterday. I don't know why it doesn't. Let me see if I refresh it. Alright, so I just refreshed the chat box thing. However, so if you have any questions, the last thing I saw was like Alvarado. He said he didn't mean to come off as disrespectful. So okay. 170. I kind of, I want to take Qs here. It just looks strong. We got Microsoft and AMD going berserk. I might try AMD for cost. Okay, Everado. I'm gonna try one AMD call. Pardon me, I'm just tooting up a storm. How is contracts going? Right off rip, they were 85. I want to check Apple again. Apple's not doing much. Okay, you got AMD selling off here. What's up, Applejack? Hey, we got 10 viewers right off the rip. Alright, you got Apple selling off right there. You guys in any trades? Guys and gals, ladies and gents. Man, I'll be having to crack my back and I just don't be getting it, you know? It just still be there. That feeling. Look at the 30 minute and the 15. 30 minute and 5. Like AMD being over that by counter retesting. Yeah, I was thinking about Tesla. Well, Tesla might be presenting itself right now. I actually want to add or start a little Tesla fund. Amazon might actually be a move. We'll try Amazon out, y'all. Actually, the reason I want to try that. Let me look at something else. Amazon though. Yeah, that looks super bullish to me. Shoot for these 180s. It's a lot of red candles. Okay, we got getting some sales now. Want to see how that Tesla downside. Oh wow, it's just landsliding down. I think AMD might do that same thing. Yeah. Nah, stupid songs in my head. Google might. See, it's a lot of green candles, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Alright, I might take a position here on AMD for puts. I want to make sure I'm not getting in on a 194 break. Microsoft pumping. Pump it up. Oh no. Alright, so I didn't get the best feel on this because I just got in late, but I do like that we broke under there. I'm looking for a break a lower day, if possible. Oh my gosh, look at that sell order. As long as that's not fake. Should we go for a higher day? Cause then that'll be a flag break. Oof, that's hurting me more. Okay, now you got hold on, let's look at this again. Cause you got Nvidia like dropping off the map. But you got everything else. Okay, even that fell off the map. So we're in AMD. Don't usually trade AMD. I was gonna buy another one, but this should print for us if this is, especially to go down $2, $2 more. Let's try and see, can we get the same type of price action as Nvidia? Can we break these 193s? Actually, can we break 192.31s? That's really what I want to see. Nice, we at least saw the 30 break. Yeah, but you got Nvidia coming down here, which is technically the hottest stock right now, so, and the indexes are coming down. So I'm gonna try to thug this one out. I actually have not done bad trading in Nvidia. Usually can get something slight off of it. I think I'm gonna hold this as long as I possibly can. So I want to see us break the lows because that's a really good sign, but then also I want to see us continue down. So it looks like we're about to break that. Great, so we just got the break of the lows. Getting slight bounce there. More continuation. Oh my goodness. This is feeling like a Friday. Can we get the break of 190s? $181, 191.81. Oh, and then we got pre-market lows right there too, so that'll be our next target. Let's look at this 15-minute candle. Holy, what a fire trade. So it looks like we're still getting that weakness. So we did break the lows by 1 cent. I just want to see more. put these positions in for 225. I'll try to take 300 off of them. Want to see us drop to 50 if possible. Oh man. '60s again. Come on. Sellers are starting to pick up again right there. Yeah, almost gained it back. This is what I mean by like holding winners. It's kind of uncomfortable doing this, but you gotta do it. Alright, I put that order in. We got 94% right there. Oh. Trying to move it back so you guys can see. No, we got stopped out. Hey, that's not a bad first trade. I think Nvidia, damn, it's gonna break into the 190s. It did. That was a fire trade. Really fire. Dub Club? Dub Club? Nah. Let me stop playing with y'all. But that was a really good winner. Try to look for one more trade. It's only 950. And just slowly try to recover their account. So we got a little bit more buying power today. And I want to see like a retest here and then more sell. And that's what I'm looking for. Because wow, like, man, if I would have took these, I think I would have got more. That's why I like to trade SPY and stuff. Because I also was thinking about trading SPY for... Dang, I should have shot for the 190s. That was super realistic. But I do like... I think I might add AMD to the roster. Let's look at that. Let's review. Do a quick review. I appreciate that, y'all. That was fire. I agree. Alright, but... we bought those. Yeah, we bought those for 122 a piece, and I saw them when it was 80. I was just trying to be a little more patient, and I think they were 120 around here. What you mean, man? Oh, adding. Oh yeah. King Cole, you be trading this. I know. Yeah, but I definitely need to add it because trading Nvidia is a little too expensive for the account right now. And yeah, that PPI must have been negative or interpreted as negative. Apple has been bullish all day. That's interesting. I think it's gonna crash though. If it doesn't, let's see. But Apple has been going down, so it's like in a little baby downtrend, short term. For the last couple of weeks, it's been going down, but it is still up. So you know what I'm saying? It's you got the Libra scale. So oh damn, we only got like a 1.6. But if we do the original stop, which was, let me go to the 5 minute just so I make sure I'm not, yeah, cause I did it over that candle. Got a 5-to-1 risk. But I don't think that's accurate. That's why I don't really like using this necessarily, just to determine like if the trade was good or not, because it's us pulling back like right here. I think we were down like $20. So maybe it was a 5-to-1. I'm just in denial. I also thought that we was gonna go up to sell off, which I guess you kind of did, but oh, I want to see. Yeah, is your Tesla? Tesla's not as clean as everything else, but it's going down though. I don't know. Apple is unusually strong right now when everything's going. Oh, it could be doing a double top too. Oh, this. Hold on. Let me see. I just don't want to miss the trade, but the turbo trader. So basically, I do have the video up, but I might not have explained it the best way. And then somebody was like, "Yes." Okay, let me just finish one thought first. So all of these are. Oh, they highlighted this text, make the explanation a lot better. But all of these are just, I'm pretty sure, like normal things, and then you gotta make sure it's selecting options, because if it's not, it'll be faded out like how it is, saying not available. You don't really need any of those. Reverse, I think that just means a short. I don't know what flatten means, but it seems like break even or like kill the trade. And then what else? Yeah, this. Let me look at the 15-minute. Okay, so we get a new 15-minute here in a second. Wow, this is really still going. Bro, my 190s went to 150 or 250. Oh my gosh. It's S and S right here. They're both linked. And S just means the selected widget. So these are on 8, but because I selected these ones, these all these at the bottom changed to the right thing. How much did I fill mines for? Damn, that sucks. I got robbed. I think Nvidia's still coming down here, or it's not yet. I honestly missed that trade. I should have got in at the VWAP. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, and that 5-minute is a. That is my setup right there. I didn't see it because I was on the 15-minute. Man, even all of them are doing it. I damn near just wanna. Oof. Let's see. And then you clicking right here also highlights them up, activate them again. I need to see. Oh, it's kind of like a long-term Head and Shoulders. And we just broke the neckline at 196. Technically retested it today. I'm gonna just wait and be patient until I see something like concrete, definite, no question. Best way to go. Man, I remember when Tesla used to be like crazy good. Like even when it was like expensive, how Nvidia is like in the 800s, you can buy one of these out of the money contracts and it will pay you because it will move. I mean, I'm pretty sure this paid you. Let me look at these puts. Pretty sure these puts went from 130 to, so they paid. They did pay. So we just put it in a W pattern, but we haven't broke it. AMD hasn't done it just yet. I'm being cautious right now. You guys take any trades? I know Yasir took oh, what's up, Juanio? I don't know if you're still in here, but what's up, man? I did not see your message, but I know Yasir took Tesla. Well, he was talking about Tesla, so I'm assuming he took Tesla. Long-term puts on SPY? You mean like I don't know about that one, man. Yeah, but that's what I was saying. Um, well, today this flag. I was about to say it doesn't look like it's updated, but this flag looks deadly. But right now it looks like stuff is kind of coming back. We are in a downtrend, so don't get me wrong, but Uh, Potential cost setting up. I don't know yet. We did just bounce. So we did just. Oh no, not yet. We didn't retest all the way. So this could SPY could literally keep going all the way down to 112, and then or 412, and then Qs can go to SPY can go to 512, and Qs can go to 4, like re-push 437. But that's also history's shown us that it's been bouncing from there. That doesn't mean it has to do with today, but we have yet to touch the 21 in the last couple of things, and this might be the day where it's trying to do that. But even with these strong sell days, we still pretty much maintain over this line, so you want to be careful. So the reason why I'm moving that over is because that's the trade I took, and I am done with it. So I try to keep them on the screen at least until the end of the day, or till the end of my trading session. Hold on, I wanna see if this is. Did you guys hear my notification when it went off? I might close this window too. Yeah, I do want to take one more trade at least. That's the thing. Yeah, I gotta work on the revenge trading, because when I win, obviously I did win a lot more. I want to take another trade, but that doesn't mean I will take another trade. So let me put that out there. What's up, Chris? It's looking short-term bullish. Oh, actually, let's go. That's why I like using the MACD. Okay, the MACD is somewhat bullish, and this is starting to turn around, so we might come back up a little more. Fake down. It's either going to fake down and continue. I mean, not fake down. It's going to come back down because we are retesting stuff and continue the downtrend, or this is going to curl from red to green, and then we're going to get the upside. Yeah, man. AMD played, and I don't usually play AMD, but when I do play AMD, I do be making money though. That's crazy. So I was just telling Devon that I need to probably add AMD to the list, because it pays pretty good, actually really good. Hey, y'all can hear the stuff in the background, right? Is that really annoying? Look, whole bus coming through. Literally, that was a bus. I don't even have to see it. Okay. Might be trying to grab liquidity. I'm thinking we might do it. Hey, we might do the V-shaped recovery like we've been doing the previous days. I just don't like how this is running up. But it don't matter what I like, yo. Fair, right? Let's see. NVIDIA, AMD. They got the sale that they needed. Amazon. Oh, I missed Amazon. Yeah. Apple's probably doing. Yeah, Apple debated people. Google looks like it's about to go on a tear. Yeah, they look good. and Microsoft. Okay. So it could be this reversal could be real. We can give this all back. Imagine you got in right here and you're still holding it. I've done that, so I'm not even trying to be funny. I know that shit sucks. I think this is like the best setup. I got it from Emotional Trader. I don't know if you guys ever watched his videos. He doesn't make any more videos, or he stopped making videos. Hopefully he still trades and stuff, but I got the setup from him. And slowly changed it to like the way I like it, because I like my stuff being real smooth and streamlined. He had two charts right here. Like I have two charts, but he has like two actual separate charts, which has their usefulness as well. But the two charts are more cleaner in my opinion. You get this crosshair that you don't get when you have the two separate charts. Then you also, I think we're gonna, I don't know, this is kind of, this is giving back. This has to sell off really hard now to dump. Literally like this. Excuse me. I think that's probably like the PPI move. But let me not try to predict the future. I'm not a wizard. I'm not a fortune teller. Yeah, so Emo Trader, his stuff is really good. His setup was really good, and he was taking some good trades. But I think he went to futures, and I don't know. I don't know how that's going for him, but yeah, I took that stuff and then I just slowly add to it and try to improve it and make it better. Amazon's probably ripping. I was gonna take these 180s on Amazon. Let me see. Let's see what these 180s went for. Oh wow, they went for 30. I would have made 100%. Let's see Google and Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft put in a. Oh no, this is Amazon. Microsoft is doing really good. I think Microsoft is. Oh yeah, Microsoft is shooting for all-time highs. This is probably another thing you could have played. This probably is another thing you can play. 126 is probably most likely going to happen. If the market truly does recover this whole move. So because this was like really aggressive going up, I don't think I want to take puts right now. I was like really aggressive. Do you guys know how to use the fib? I'd be wanting to use it. I mean, I guess if my stuff's working, like it's no real reason to try to use it. But I just like it. You know, just like how I like seeing this stuff go into this or go against it in this thing. It literally does nothing other than that, but I think the fib is the same way. Let's look at Tesla, because that's what your sire was. Well, I don't know if he's trading it, but that's what he was saying. He was trying to fade. I don't know. Tesla looks iffy, real iffy. So I'm thinking the market moves quite a bit today. 80% already in the first 40 something minutes. It's a pretty good move. really good move. These 190s are still, oh, they will still be profitable for me, but only by $10 or $20. Bad math. I don't know. Calls on cues. Yasir says. Oh, you guys can see it too. I don't even know. I'm like saying it like that. But yeah, calls on cues. I don't know just yet. It's still bearish, in my opinion. We're under the moving averages. I'm gonna go to a higher time frame just so I have a. Yeah, so let's just wait. Let's go to the 30-minute real quick. We got 10 minutes on that 30-minute. But hopefully we do get something cool. What's up, Broken? I'm pretty sure you've been around, but I haven't seen you in a minute. But yeah, we're up a little bit. I'm thinking about taking one more trade because I don't like to just give up all the time. But this would be a nice one and done, and then I could just focus up on Friday. But we are real hot today, so you also don't want to walk away on days like that. It's too quick. Yeah, this is looking more bullish. I don't know. Those calls on cues might not be a bad idea. I just don't think it'll be right now. You mean on AMD? I don't think he's rejecting yet. Just because this, that's really strong. Or at least it's faking because it's still got 30 seconds to close. I wonder if Nvidia's not doing that. But it'd be like Nvidia's going crazy and then AMD's not. And then AMD's going crazy and then Nvidia's not. That sounded like it hurt, but it didn't. It just made a loud noise. It might be smarter to just trade what's actually hot though. See, Nvidia looks like it's trying to continue its downward trend. And we just got the retest on the 15-minute here. But AMD's looking all the way reversal. What heavy. See, this is what I like to see for a reversal. This is what I would consider a rev, but we still have to break over that pivot and continue higher. Nvidia isn't following the same trend, but like, the most important stocks are doing completely fine. So I don't know if that's a sign. And they're green still. Okay. Minus Nvidia. Nvidia is the only one that's down 2%. But Nvidia is also up like 300% on the year. Yeah, plus. Yeah, it was up 300%, almost 400%. So there you have that. See, now this is coming down, so sales probably do look better again. Short term. Amazon. Mostly Microsoft, Google, Apple. Bro just took SPY puts. Hopefully those work out. SPY do be dropping crazy. It can. Let's watch Amazon for a little bit. See how this hourly closes, because that would be pretty strong. Actually, let's look at the hourly and everything. Microsoft. I want to look at these ones. Kind of seems like we're consolidating at this important level to continue down from. And let me look at the TradingView version. 70%, 80%. Tesla's completing the flag again. I wonder why Google and all of them are so strong right now with the weakness. Excuse me. There's got to be a reason why it's holding up so well. These. All right, so that was it looks like a nice flag on the 5 minute for Amazon. I don't know. I'm trying to find a weird way to say it. Amazonian. No, that wasn't cool. That wasn't even funny. It's Amazonian. Y'all remember like Nickelodeon? Which I thought was better, Nickelodeon or Nickelodeon, Disney Channel, or Cartoon Network. I think those are the top three. I don't know how old y'all are, but when I was a little man. Google is the move. I think it was Everardo. I hope Everardo's in here and he's in Google. Making bank. Yeah, even 83 cents on Google is crazy. Let me see. Oh, it might be trying to fill the gap. I told you that 144. That 144 is on the table. Okay, AMD starting to curl back down. I don't really want to take AMD no more into this 190. Like, what is this? Yeah, I really don't want to take that no more. But it does look like it's gonna drop. Jeez, y'all heard my stomach? My man screaming at me. Dude, look at these. That's a beautiful setup. On the 15 minute alone. Ah, dang, man. I'm sick for you. What we was looking at? Google, Amazon. Look at that. It's still going. I think it closes the gap maybe in this 15 minute. It's got a minute. But that is a lot of candles. But it could still squeeze some more. I like when it does that. Those type of moves when it's like the same, like a lot of candles are the same color, but it's still squeezing and the volume had picked up too. It's very, very reassuring. Yeah, the MACD is starting to curl from green to red though, so those puts probably are going to start going. But then you got the 5 minute and the 15 minute is still technically bearish, but the 5 minute it might curl green before going red again. It just looks weird. Appreciate it, King Cheddar. Or is it? I'm pretty sure it's cheddar, like money cheddar. Getting that cheddar, getting that cheese. You know what I'm saying? All right. Dang, I kind of want to take calls on them AMD. Are those Qs printing? They probably will. Yeah, I think the stuff's all trying to turn around and go green. That's why I like using the MACD, y'all. See, it's going from red to green. That sell off, it was in there. Yeah. So it might still sell off, but it did rip against you, which would have hurt. What contracts did you get? Did you get 0 dates or like further out time or more time? I want something that is printing a lot better. Oh yeah, that's a good question. Why is Apple up out of all months? It's got some news. Tim Cook has been promoted to president. No, I was just kidding. Um, so I'm guessing Foxconn. Oh, so Foxconn's results are a leading indicator of Apple, and it was saying I just did a quick glance, but it was saying that Foxconn assembles for Apple, and then it also says that their revenue is going to grow, and et cetera, et cetera. So, and then also an increase in the AI sector, which has been the what is that word? Um, it's not. You could say it's a catalyst, but you know how we always have that overall trending. It's called freak, like the hot. You know what I'm saying? The hot, the meta news. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's saying this stuff right now. So like last year, it was the R and U, RVU war. Then you had like interest rates, inflation. All those topics was like high. Banks, the banks was messing up. All that stuff was in the talks. Then you got what? What else? What if this is the most perfect retest ever to sell? That would be insane. Yeah, and then like this year you got AI. Chips was on the thing last year. AI was on there last year too, but it's just overflowing into this year. And what was 2021? I think 2021 was semiconductors. So Nvidia still wins in that front. Well, it was I don't think it was doing as good when they was talking about the semiconductors. Do you guys say semi or semiconductor? I think semiconductor sounds more natural, but semiconductor. Yeah, I don't know. Semi truck sounds good though. Semi truck. Yeah, that don't sound right. Like think about that. Yeah, I was thinking it was gonna crash. I thought it was gonna fill that gap to the downside, but we never got it. We never got it. Still haven't gotten it. These are going up. I'm glad there's like so many things that you can trade on the day. Let me look at the bigs. Do y'all be looking at this still? I haven't looked at it in a while. Seems like it's trying to cool off again. Fuck. Yo, we will edit this replay shit and it's ass. It doesn't show you the bar. I don't get the point of that. If y'all have any ideas on how that's useful, let me know. Uh, I don't really have an issue with the theta decay. I mean, also I do trade. I trade zero dates, so I have like the worst possible. I trade zero dates unless I'm doing like how I played AMD today. I got 1 day on it, but yeah, I don't really. I like options. I like how they are. They make sense. And that kind of sounds weird because they are complicated. And I don't know, like, I can't calculate the Greeks off back or nothing, but they make sense for what you're using them for sure. Dang, look at these 180s, man. It would have hit. I'm sick. I'm honestly sick. 10, 20. 10, 20. Could have bought these for 50. Made another 40. Is this the sale we've been waiting on? I think even if this drops down here, I'll still want it to like back test something and then go down more. Because that went up more than 50%. So If these was to sell off, the market's going straight to HE double hockey sticks. Calls looking good on what? These? Apple, Google, and Microsoft? I agree. And Amazon. Probably look the best on Amazon. Alright, Yesire, man. Yeah, it's best. Yeah, I did that freaking on Tuesday. I was sick. So I'm trying to be a little patient. Think around. Oops. I mean, yeah, but that's just 50% gain on the account is just. I mean, it's a the count's lower now though. Alright, you got spot drop in here. I don't know about them puts, man. Not yet. Cause if these give up today, bro, it's gonna be a really bad day. Wait, you said I don't see how you see bullish on a SPY 1 hour chart unless you're talking about this amount of bullish, maybe. But on the intraday, not yet. But maybe let's look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute is looking like it could still do a flag. It's real risky. But we still got 17 minutes though. Let's look at the 15-minute. That kind of looks weak right there. That looks more bullish than anything I just saw. Since we are holding that, let's see if we can break that. You seem to not rush when you're green, just gotta carry that over red days. Yeah, I agree. I was saying that earlier. Yo, if y'all haven't already, make sure you follow the socials, man. I always thought it wouldn't advertise, but then you gotta think about it. How would people know if you don't do it? Oh no. Don't be a trust me, man. Not just kidding. Nah, hope you right. I'm not in nothing, so it doesn't hurt me. It just looks bearish still. There's only 4 things that's green. And if those is to go red, or even give back half of what they've been doing, and they're very important stocks. I don't see how SPY turns around green too. But it isn't far from being green. It's only, actually that is pretty a lot. Pretty a lot. That's a phrase. AMD though, AMD's trying to play with me. It's trying to bait me. Hey, guy, did you check? Guy, have you even been trading? Because I know you say you've been doing that other. Um, oh, we got a little Hellcat coming through or something. But I know you say you've been trading a different edge. So I wanted to know if you actually made it live with it yet. Alright, so that looks. I like that. I mean, I still wanted to. I think that's been my issue this week. I've been getting in way too early before the break of my pivots that I like to see on entries. And like I could enter on this one too, but for the earliest entry, but I still want to wait just because of what the market is doing right now. Let's see if there's some more news too, just so Thursday. And then I'm gonna. We got. We already did that. We already did that. So I don't know. Cause it was supposed to be stuff at 10:30, but it's really not that important either. And then Google and Apple, they're still bullish, but their little 5-minute stuff is starting to come around too. But then you got Nvidia. Okay, AMD is green right now. And not on the day, but I'm talking about the MACD stuff. Anybody in any trades? Taking any trades? Okay, I think AMD is bullish again. I like it. See Nvidia. Nvidia's not yet. Come on, the Magnificent Seven. Pull the rest of the market. And AMD's back. AMD's back green. Oh, I could have looked for a position over the open and print. That's actually pretty smart. Let's see SPY. SPY is very far from that though. So is Q's. You must got some really long dated contracts. I think it's raining outside. I don't know what you're talking about. 5:13. I got called. Stop loss at 5:13. I don't know. I don't like doing that no more. Like it should have went or should have not went. Cause literally yesterday, I got chopped up, and they went in both directions. It went to the 517 that I wanted it to do, and all I wanted it to do was break the lows, and it did that by a lot. But it did that all the way towards the end of the day, and then it did the calls at 1. Yeah, I hope you get it, man. If you got like longer dated too, I guess you got like a longer plan or something. Okay, I like that. I'm rocking with that. Good try, spy though. Yeah, I was coming out of work and it was raining, right? And it was a thunderstorm, and then it wasn't like by us. It just like small drizzles by us at the time. But then I saw like a whole bunch of lightning strikes. It was pretty dope though. And I was like, oh, Zeus is pissed. My man's just pissy. And then one of the ladies was like, she was like, it's raining. I was like, it's not raining. It's just drizzling. That's just Mother Nature crying. She started laughing. I'm gonna get us to 11. Yeah, nice. Congrats, Rhythm. What did you trade earlier? Let's recall. Oh, you took those puts. I remember now. Rhythm, I'm pretty sure. Oh, let me see. I probably could see it on. Okay, nah. I thought you were the guy who had like some cool ass profile pic, as in it was like a. It looked like a soldier or something, but it was like a drawing. I'm pretty sure that was you, but I could be mistaken. I remember people that be talking consistently. I don't know, the volume just seems like it's gone, but that makes sense too. Can't be hot all day. Oh, I don't know. I wonder how views are calculated on the YouTube. I don't get how all of these are so like up. Dang, Apple had a clean ass day so far. Reject it. Fake more people out, grab more liquidity. Boom. Came over, retested. This is your. I probably wouldn't. Oh yeah, you could enter here on the actual retest of the 9 and then hope it continues. But then if you wait for it to break the pivot, you got some type of structure down here. Still wouldn't have got stopped out yet. That was a good trade. I just missed it. It's okay. Yeah, a lot of the stuff that's sold off right now is just choppy. Yeah, I don't like how the sales are not. Actually. Yeah, it's kind of. I think we are going to go up now. Because we're in the red right now. It's not based off of this alone. But like you said, it's taking far too long for this to continue to drop. And I'm not saying that it has to drop hard. But it should have been making more progress by now. At least, let's see. It's been a whole hour. And we did this in 15 minutes. But I also think that a lot of the volume is gone. Come on, it's called consolidation. Nah, it's just being there. But, just waiting. This is boring. I'm pretty sure. What was I just looking at? I think it was SPY that was. Yeah. Okay, if volume picks up here, that'll look great. Well, again, hope you're right, bro. I gotta put my headphones on so I can bump music. I hope it gets like a big pop to the upside for you. Those are the best. Okay, let me look introspective. These are doing the exact opposite of everything. Nah, these look more trending than anything. They just look strong. And they are. Oh, we might get that pop for you. Because there's been a retest of this area here. For more upside. Here we go, here we go. Hopefully. Because we haven't been doing nothing. Nice. Hope it's like, nah, let me stop. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. It's moving for you. I'll be convinced once we break this pivot, and I'll be more convinced again. Nah, no more trades so far. Still been waiting. If we rally to that today, that'd be cool. That'd be real dope. But if we did that today, I don't see tomorrow being very active. But we did have 2 buns days already this week, so we usually get about 3. Nah, that's not my setup. That's your thing, man. I don't see no setup here. Maybe on a 15-minute. Yeah, it's still technically no setup for me. I'm gonna close my window because it's starting to rain harder. Look, I just seen Zeus get mad again when I close the window, so he might have a way of, well, consolidation is multiple ways of that. But his setup might just be, well, he's saying supply and demand, so I'm pretty sure that also would be looking like consolidation too. Because this is technically like a flag, but it's not over, so it's not like a continuation flag. Alright, that's good. As long as you're not being biased. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with being biased, but if it's not going in your favor, I guess you should walk away, because then you won't be able to see the other side properly. But that's my opinion. do just want to look at. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, really, these small movements not gonna really hurt you at all. I wonder how expensive those are. Was it due what? April 14th? April 12th? For you said 5/18s? Not bad. And then I wonder how those move because that looks ass. I know it's probably not moving like that for you, but how is that like moving? Hoping to break this pivot to the upside, right? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, if we're gonna go up, I'd rather wait for that signal. Cause I missed these. These are the only trades that I would probably get in on the bull side so far. You got AMD trying to pump fake down again. Hmm. Yeah, that shit's being weak. I just don't want to play spy or Qs right now because they are really chopping. I'm really not bumping with any of these right now, bro. AMD's selling though. That's good. Is Nvidia doing it too? But this isn't going as far. I'll be back. Thanks, Money Motivated. But I said nice to Rhythm for making some more bread on his plate. And then I was just talking about how AMD is going down here, and it was the time to get it there, but it's just taking a long time to go down lower, and that's okay. See the 15-minute. Now you got Tesla going down even more. Let's see how the hot stocks are doing. They're pulling back a little bit. Honestly, I don't really like the volume on the push down, and I don't think that's worth it. So today, I think I'm gonna just walk away with a one and done. Okay, you got AMD starting to go down. Yeah, it's playing though. I don't really, not feeling that. I like clean and concise moves. Okay, SPY's looking a little more. It just broke this pivot. No, not yet. 413s. Yeah, I think I would just walk away, bro, cause yeah, this can literally go to 190, right? Yeah, I don't think the volume is worth. I'll be like, if I was to get in, I would have to already been in this, and yeah, I like that this rejection here, and we failed to get above that the entire time. But I feel like I'm scraping for pennies when we don't. We're not trying to scrape for pennies. We're trying to make bucks. So I hope y'all trades are still going well. I hope this turns around for you, Josh. If you don't like me calling Joshua. And you're making money. If not, hopefully it's go up pre-market. And then you can just sell out in the morning tomorrow, but I don't think these trades are worth it right now. And I gotta still upload this video, or not upload it, but edit it and try to make it semi-entertaining. And I would like to lay down a little bit more before I have to go to work, since I have made money. Yeah, this setup is like maybe a pickup, but I don't know if I'm willing to wait on that. So yeah, I'm gonna just call it one and done. So I hope you all are having a great day and are enjoyed the stream. I'll be here tomorrow on Friday. Hopefully we can also make some good money. And just slowly recover the account, because we're in recovery mode, and I'm okay with that. It's my mistakes, but I got to do the same thing I'm doing today. Be able to walk away sooner, realize when opportunities aren't there, and that's the lesson over. So we made $213.80. and now the account's at 660.90. This is literally all the trades I took today. Bought, so pretty clean. Well, that was. Oh yeah, you got a month's time, so yeah, you got plenty of time. I would say it could get to, I don't know if it'll be in a month. I can't predict the future, but that'd be dope if you get that. Just keep me posted on that and let me know. But I'm just gonna do like a thing for my TikTok real quick. So if y'all want to stay for that, cool. If not, y'all have a great day. But I'm just gonna take one trade and I'm gonna call it a day, and we'll try again on Friday, see if we can get something even better. Or we might lose. Who knows? You can never know. But yeah, peace.